Hi guys, this is a video review of this Jakemy 55-in-1 screwdriver set. I purchased it on gearbest.com. As you can see, there are lots of nickel-plated magnetic bits and some other accessories in this set. And there is a verifying code that you can scratch and verify your if your set is genuine or not. Of course, at gearbest.com you always get a genuine one. The box, the plastic box is a very good quality feel. There are also anti-slipping bags and this hanging clamp on the outside. It has a very good lock, and as you can see, there are lots of bits inside it. You can check it on this the types of the bits on the back side of the outer paper box. It is a very good feel and a quality feel set of screwdrivers. There is it is the screwdriver itself. It has 3 other main parts. Just a second, it's not easy to remove. As you can see, the screwdriver itself is not magnetic. It has a spring inside, and you can just fasten the the bit inside. It keeps very good, but you can remove it. It's not easy to remove, in fact, without pulling down this orange ring, but it is possible. I don't think that it will be a problem. There is what is the name of it? Just a second. It is an adjustable extension bar. It is very handy if you want to remove a screw from a deeper hole. As you can see, it cannot be moved without pulling down this ring, so it is very handy, and the whole length can be adjusted. So you can use this length, or there are these cuts on the shaft for the better fixation. You can use anything. You can use any of them. This extension bar is magnetic at the end, so it's more easier to remove the bit, but it will hold very good. You also have this Jakemy tweezer. It has some black coating, which is anti-static, as far as I remember from other Jakemy tweezers. Just a second, I'm trying to put it back. Okay. What else we have here? We have this this flexible extension. It could be very handy if you cannot use the straight one for for something angular location. It is also a magnetic fixation. It has also magnetic fixation, so it keeps in very good position. Okay, and one more other thing that I noticed. I have similar sets in the past, but there is a very good solution of Jakemy for keeping these bits safe. As you can see, in the past I have different type of fixation, and if accidentally I pulled down or rotated the box, or it fell off the table, all the things are removed. But now, as you can see, only this 3 heavy one is removed, and all the other ones are in safe, because Jakemy made this this fixation with some kind of a silicone or rubber, which keeps the things in a very good position. Of course, this one, these 3 which fell out, these are the biggest ones, and it is not strong enough to hold these heavy ones. But as you can see, all of the others, all the other ones are in safe. And one other addition of this solution is that no rattle noise or no other noise when you carry this package somewhere. As I mentioned in the past, there was a very bad rattling noise of these things, of the bits. Now it's gone with this great Jakemy solution. Okay, it keeps in very good position. Also the heavier parts, it was accidentally fell out in this video. Thanks for watching.